A client has recently sent me a painting that needs a bit of a routine cleaning. I like to get to know the painting a little bit before I work on it. This piece, titled "Hey, how you doing, little mama?" is acrylic paint on a goatskin canvas from 1776, painted by Mr. Hugh Hefner, which could explain the general creepiness of this image. My first step when doing these restorations is to identify the contaminants. It appears as if someone has coated this painting in a layer of mud for the purpose of a parody video. After completing my inspection of this piece, I have determined the first thing that needs to happen is removal of the frame to isolate the canvas itself. The two are held together by several nails and will require a very delicate touch to separate them carefully. I should be able to remove the contaminants from the paint layer while still maintaining the structural integrity of the canvas by delicately applying a water-based solution with light pressure. Next, I will be using some black diacetone alcohol on the paint layer to touch up any areas I see fit. Trying to maintain originality is key, so I will only follow existing lines or brush strokes on the canvas. I will use magazine pages as a solution to any damages that might have occurred to our canvas during our previous steps. I find textures and colors that best match the original paint layer. Then, using my adjustable tube, I apply an adhesive derived from potato starch and sugar, superimposing these images onto and carefully blending them into the existing paint layer. Again, my top priority is maintaining originality in the piece. I want to make the least amount of changes possible. Once my job is done, the final piece should look like I haven't even made any changes to it at all.